Imagine coming home from school one day and being greeted by a friendly robot standing in your kitchen. But this isn't any old robot. This one has real hands, just like yours. It's not only able to wave or shake hands, but it can help set the table, wash the dishes, and even fold laundry. Sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? But soon it might be reality. Robots have been around for a long time. Many families have robots that vacuum floors or help mow the lawn, but most of them look like little round discs that scoot along the ground. They don't have arms, legs, or faces. They can't pick up toys or help you find your missing sock. But engineers have been working hard to change that. The newest type of home robot is shaped like a person or a human. This is called a humanoid robot. It has legs, arms, and most exciting of all, hands with flexible fingers that can grip, hold, and even pinch small objects. Their hands are made from tough but gentle materials, and tiny motors move each finger, copying the way we use our own hands for all sorts of jobs. Still, hands alone aren't enough. For a robot to truly help in the home, it needs to understand what's happening around it. That's where something called ambient AI comes in. Ambient AI is like a superpower for robots. It lets them listen, watch, and figure out what's going on, almost like having a sixth sense. Instead of waiting for humans to tell them exactly what to do, these robots can see when the trash is full, when a dirty spoon is on the counter, or when the dog needs fresh water. How do they do it? The robot's head is packed with special cameras, microphones, and sensors. These let the robot build a picture of the room, hear voices or music, and even smell funny odors. The AI part is like the robot's brain. It uses all of this information to decide what to do next. If you spill your juice, the robot can notice and grab a towel to help clean up, without you even asking. All of this amazing technology is making its way into homes very soon. Scientists and inventors hope that by giving robots real hands and smart AI brains, chores will not only get easier, but maybe even become fun. Families could have more time for games or stories, and people who need extra help, like older adults or people with disabilities, could find life a little simpler. Of course, these new robots will have to learn a lot, and sometimes they'll make mistakes. But just like humans, they'll get better the more they practice. One day, your new robot buddy might even help you bake cookies or offer you a high five when you get home. What job would you choose for your robot's first day in your house?